Hello and welcome to GoProfit. In today's guide, we'll explore the expenses feature and show you exactly how it works inside the app. You can quickly access it right from the sidebar menu. Let's jump right in. The expenses section helps you keep track of all costs related to your store in one place. This includes ad spend, product costs, fees, and even refunds. At the top, you can see the total expenses, total ad spend, and refund return amount. Each of these shows both the value and its percentage change compared to the previous period. On the left, you'll find a chart showing expenses by category, such as ad spend, cost of goods sold, fulfillment fees, or taxes. This makes it easier to identify which area takes up the largest portion of your spending. On the right, you can view a detailed breakdown of each category. Every cost item is listed separately, so you can monitor exactly where your money goes. If you want to make any changes, simply click Update Expense Settings at the top. From there, you can adjust how expenses are calculated and categorized. That wraps up this tutorial. We hope it helps you make the most out of GoProfit. For any questions, our support team is available 24/7 via live chat, or you can simply leave your comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.